Hi, I'm Brooke.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Marley, and we're the
Funky Monkeys.
So we're gonna be putting crackers on our foreheads, right there, and then we're gonna be trying to put it in our mouth without using our hands.
Just our face
and I'll
muscles.
be going up first.
Just our face muscles.
It's circular, as you can see.
Circulation cracker.
Oh my goodness, crackers in your head though. Oh my god.
Go.
You guys, we got 2 shots if you didn't say that already. Hurry up.
I'm trying.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm scared.
Why?
No. Just kidding. Okay. Yeah,
One more try.
Shake that noggin. Shake that bell. Lollipop. It goes like this. It goes.
No.
It goes like this. It goes. Boom.
I didn't get it.
Here you go. Well, now you don't get it.
Okay.
Now it's Brooke's turn.
Okay. Let's do this.
Or not? I'll just.
Yeah.
Okay. Eat it. And clear off your forehead. Who I think? Brooke has the fastest technique.
Okay.
How's so easy?
Brooke, it's so easy. Mine sucks. I'm so slow at it.
Brooke is just trying to get close to me.
Stuck in my cheek.
Oh!
Okay, well, please subscribe and like our videos.
Bye!